Louder.
We are going to do experiments.
Mm-hmm.
Because we saw someone's story.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Tristan now.
So, I'll be explaining what all of these are. So this is vinegar. It looks like water, but it's actually vinegar.
Pure vinegar.
Pure vinegar.
And that
this
one?
Is baking soda.
Yeah?
And this is just food coloring.
Yeah.
To make it look nice. And you know, so this is glass. That's what my sister's using. This is just plastic, so I'm not right.
So what are we going to do today?
So we are going to make an experiment because my mom and we saw on Ryan's story review that it was they done it. So we're going to try and see if it does it. Because if it works, because if it doesn't, it's not really working.
Must be a trick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's from science.
Yeah, okay.
And let's get started.
So, Mommy's gonna do the vinegar. So this is vinegar. Mommy's gonna do the vinegar.
Oh, it looks like water, but we can't drink it. It's really bad. Guys, do not drink vinegar.
Oh my god, it's so acidic. You don't want to drink vinegar.
No, you'll die, I think.
Okay, let's. Peyton, why do you keep pulling this?
So
okay.
now we have to put the baking.
No.
Oh, vinegar. Okay. Food coloring.
Try and drop one. That's it. That's enough. Okay. And then shake it, Tristan. Peyton's turn. That's it. Oh, it didn't. It didn't work. Okay, leave it there. Leave it there.
It's red.
Okay, that's enough, Tristan. Right,
Ooh,
now.
This.
Now, let's start with Tristan first.
Okay, how many?
Pour as much.
Okay.
Don't hold it. It's gonna go on.
So I just pour all of it. Or just a few.
Go on.
Okay. All of it.
See how it goes.
Ooh.
The whole thing. You need to put the whole thing. Whoa!
This does really work.
It does really work. What about Peyton? Let's see if Peyton's one works. Wait.
Okay, put the whole thing in there, okay? Whole thing! Like a volcano.
Whoa! Wow! Is that cool or what? Oh my god!
It's still bubbling.
Yeah. So what has caused that? What has caused that?
It's because the baking soda was bubbling it up and then I can't believe it. I want to do that again. That was amazing.
We need to do more experiment. Next time we have to think more other experiments. This one, we're done with this. So what do you think, Tristan?
That I'll give it 10 points.
Do you think it works?
Yeah.
Really well?
Yeah, I love it. I'll give that 12.
What?
So thank you guys for watching. We hope you subscribe, hit the like, and turn on the bell to get notifications. We'll see you guys soon with another
Bye.
science experiment.
Yeah. Bye.